Hello, mis corazones and melones. I hope you had a great weekend, a great Monday, a great Tuesday, and you guys hopefully are ready for this week 3 for math. This video is totally different to the one that I am actually sharing with the period 7 class. It has different things because of course you're working on a different pace and a different content. It does kind of look the same. It has the same format, but it has some different instructions. So I am expecting that from 9 a.m. to 9:50 tomorrow, with the exception of Diego. I know Diego has math during fall period, so you are going to be working on this on Thursday. So this is what I'm going to be asking you for you to have before 10 a.m. Diego will be doing this on Thursday before 11:30 a.m. So all you have to actually do during that time is watch this video. I will be attaching the video once I'm done to the document, just in case you need to see it again. You're going to get 4 sheets of paper. Why just 4? Why not more? You can get more if you want to. In the first sheet of paper, please write down today's date. Actually, for you, it's going to be tomorrow because I am actually recording this on Tuesday night. So you will be recording on your date as April 1st, your full name, and as a title, you're going to write down 1 and 2 step inequalities practice. Please get a pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener if it's necessary. If you haven't created a folder for this class, and I don't think that you have because I don't remember seeing your names, please create one before class begins. Have the name. I really want you to follow this format because it's going to be then so easy for me to look for it in my Google folder. Math 2020 Digital Learning Practice Work, period 7. For Diego will be period 4. Full name, of course, and you are going to be sharing that folder with me. Inside that folder, for today's practice, you are going to be creating a document, and this is going to be the name of the document. Make sure that you share the folder with me so I can have access to see your work. I hope you're ready. Okay, so at 10 a.m., please, let's actually focus on these instructions. Please work during your protected time. I don't want you to, hopefully, you will be working from 10 a.m. to 11:30. Diego will be working from 11:30 to 1, I believe, during period 4 on Thursday. So you guys are actually not working on another class during this time, or not working because you woke up late or you think that you guys don't have to do something today in math. So the practice that you are going to be working should be done by the end of the class. I actually gave you the time frame because I'm including Diego, of course. So this is actually the time frame is until tomorrow. By tomorrow at 5 p.m., the window will close, but that doesn't mean that my students in 7th period will actually continue working or take advantage of not finishing before 11:30 today. You must copy the questions and share your work on the sheets of paper I asked you to actually have in advance. Please write a short note for the question you don't understand, just in case you don't understand a question, okay? Remember to label each of the questions in your paper and stay organized. Once you finish with that practice, you're going to take pictures of your worked solutions and you're going to upload them to the document that you created and you have shared with me already before class is over. I will meet with you guys if necessary, depending on how did you do. I'm going to be looking at your records after you finish with the activity online, and also I'm going to be looking on the work that you have submitted. The most important thing is for me to see how did you do it in the actually pictures you're submitting. So if there's any actually concerns, if you wrote down, Mrs. Perez, I need more clarification on certain questions, I will be meeting with you during office hours Friday, and with Diego, I will be meeting with you during office hours on Thursday after Semana Santa. If not, I will let you know individually when we can meet. Once you read the instructions, I think you will be ready to join the online practice. You're going to be doing this practice using the platform quizzes, and this is going to be the address or the website, I'm sorry, you're going to be typing, and this is your code. Don't forget, after you're done, I believe there's 21 questions, I'm sorry, in this practice. You take pictures, you upload them, and I will be seeing them at the end of the day. Let's say that you finish with that and you still have time. You are going to then doing some geometry practice through Nearpod, and this is going to be the code that you will be actually using to have access to that Nearpod presentation on angle relationships. Ms. Cespedes, what if I am done, but I didn't have time to do the Nearpod, and I don't have any questions about the practice I did during class in protected time? What am I going to be doing during office hours? You are going to be doing this session of the Nearpod presentation on angle relationships, okay? I will be checking this also during Semana Santa, especially the Nearpod one. So I'm gonna see if you guys did it and did some practice about it. I think this is pretty much what you need to do. No, I wish you a great class tomorrow. I said tomorrow, and sometimes I know I just realized that I'm using today and tomorrow, but I'm recording this on Tuesday night, so that's what I'm saying tomorrow. I see you. If you have any questions, I am going to be available through the chat from 9 to 10 a.m. or 9:50, because at 10 a.m. I'm going to start with an assessment with my period 7 students. Have a good night, guys. Take care, and I miss you. Bye.